In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Ionos by email. Whether you're having issues with your website, need guidance on a service, or have billing questions, reaching out to Ionos customer support via email is a great way to get detailed written answers and solutions. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, go to the Ionos website by typing www.ionos.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. Click it. After clicking Sign In, select Customer Account. This tells Ionos what type of account management and support you need. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in again. This is an important security step to make sure only verified users can access customer support. Now enter your email address. This should be the email associated with your Ionos account. Type it carefully, then click Next. Next, enter your password, then click Next again. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Product Overview page. Here, look for the Customer Support option. Inside that section, you'll see an option called My Personal Support. Click this to go to a page where you can submit your questions or concerns directly to the Ionos support team. When you submit your inquiry, be as detailed as possible. Provide any relevant information or context that can help the support team understand and address your issue more efficiently. While waiting for a response, or if you prefer a more direct method, you can also reach out to the support team via email at support@ionos.com. This is especially useful if you're unable to log into your account or need assistance urgently. A few tips for effective communication. When drafting your email, have your account information ready, understand the issue you're facing clearly, and prepare any questions you need answered ahead of time. This ensures a more productive interaction with the support team. To recap, contacting Ionos customer support by email involves going to the Ionos website, signing into your account, selecting the customer support options, and submitting your inquiry. For immediate concerns, using the direct email address can be very helpful. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.